Well, that sucked. Out of nowhere, big old cloud pops up, pulled up my radar, and just formed a massive monsoon out of nowhere. Didn't even have time to react, get down, go to the truck, nothing. It just opened up like the ocean was dumped on top of us. And the only thing I could do was sit here and try to cover my scope lenses from getting rained on and rain getting down in my barrel. But I know it's probably about 70 degrees outside, but being soaking wet, I'm probably going to jump in my heater bodysuit because this boy is cold.